story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Take a ride in the 2020 Transit 250. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, power windows, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, telematics, third passenger door. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.